So I run my veg tent a bit different from everybody. I run these 100-watt squares, adjustable very easily for different heights of different plants. I bought these two strip lights from Lowe's and built the frame myself. And my veg tent, like I said, is run much differently than most. I basically step up pots. It saves on soil, helps my bags go further. I've got about 30 in here, all the way up to 4 feet tall, down to clones. You'll notice that some are discolored. That is purposeful overwatering to slow growth because I'm on a cycle. I uppot slowly, but as they get bigger, they get back to normal looking. It's a growing technique that I've been working on for a while to maintain a steady cycle of about 4 plants harvested every 10 to 14 days.